How to show Discord game activity on mobile. The first thing you want to do is to pull up your Discord account and make sure you are logged in. Head over to the settings, which is the gear icon at the upper right corner of your screen, and then you click privacy and safety. You scroll down and look for activity status here. So you have to enable it. Now once that is enabled, go all the way back, and right here, this is where you can customize your active status. You can go online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible. You can also do a custom status. You can add any message. You can adjust the duration of the status. That's it. So that's how you show Discord game status on mobile.